supposedly, gonna play A Quiet Place, pero there's a bonus requisition here on Space Marine 2. And until ngayon na lang siya. So, gonna play a bit of Space Marine 2. Hey Zion, gandang good eve. Thank you Almerit for the hydrate. Yun.
Plant A player to.
Ay,
Nasa
nasaan
sa'yo.
pala?
Ayun. Mas may karoon side.
Dito, go!
Chinito, babantayan kita.
Babawian ko to.
Sana all binabantayan. Okay. Wait lang natin si Tito Jordy.
Oh!
Or
I knew that would
Huli
work.
kita.
pinayata. Pinayata mo.
Did I scare you?
Touch it. Tapusin yung...
Let it go, let it
You
go. I'm the one with wind and sky. Let it go, let it go. You'll never see me cry.
Hey, Skittle!
You
Gandang good eve. You know. Miss ko na yung mga karaoke stream ni Sid. Nanonood ako ng Buhay Call Center sa YouTube. Oh, are you planning to apply? Call center... I mean, as a call center agent?
And they chased me.
Is it true? Maybe some. Hey, Soul! Hello! And good to see you again on my stream. Well, actually, Ghost Stories. Junjun, yes. Wait lang kasi, Skittle. Hindi ako rapper, so wait lang. I'm reading chat and okay, tama, ano na din si Gwyn. Eto kape, Gwyn. So, Junjun story is a ghost story on each BPO or call center place.